7-Eleven snacks we have here. Wow, there's so many options here. Let's see.
Sawadee-ka. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to try Thai snacks, Thai khanom. I bought in 7-Eleven here in Bangkok. So let's try them together and see how they taste like. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh my god, I got so many. Okay, so let's try and see how they taste like. Yay. Okay, so I got here, this one look like, let's say what to say, this is like American corn snacks, and then it's with seaweed flavor. So, I don't know, let's try it out. Okay. Let's see how it looks inside. It just look like that, you see? Just like little heads. Let's see. Oh, it's very like savory. And then you get in a bit of like the seaweed flavor on top. It's quite nice. Yummy. Okay. So how you say in Thai? You say yum, you say อร่อยมาก อันนี้เป็นขนมอร่อยมากเยอะมากอร่อย Yummy. Okay. I move to the next one. Okay, this is look the same one, but it's a cheese flavor. Let's see. Yummy. Okay, let me try. Nice. Okay. So we got two similar, like kind of like the corn snacks, and then one of them with seaweed. Second one, cheese flavor. Which one is better? This one. Yeah, I like this one more because it got a bit more kick of flavor of the seaweed. So I think this one will be like for me number one. Okay, I put it here in front so I know exactly which one I already tried. And then okay, let's move on for. I have like this one. This one is kind of like similar but different flavoring. So this is like just like a chips, like but different flavors. Like just similar to Lay's. This one will be like no. This one no. This one will be like more like a shrimp flavor, and then this one let's say like tastes like fried chicken wing and like the Korean sauce. So I don't know, look very interesting. Let's try it out. Okay, 1, 2. แค่นไม่ได้ Oi. Okay, just open like that. Okay, look how much. I will look inside it. Just like that. Okay, let's check it out. Wow, it tastes like barbecue, but then there's a bit of like sweetness into that. I think it's like the Z sauce, like kind of sweet chili in a way. Okay. Let's see this one. I think this is like more like oven chips. Oh, looks like that. Oh my god, that's a good like a kick of a spice. Okay, let's see this one. So it's not like a real like Lay's. It's more like kind of like triangle puff, but made with potatoes. Let's see. It's got umami kick into that from the shrimps, I think. So which one I prefer? This one, this one. I'll probably go for that because that's kind of like I can multitask with that. Just like use it as a spoon and then eat it as well. So it just give you like more umami flavor if you want to eat like something like maybe like a salad or like just like salsa or even avocado would be nice. So this one was my top pick. But I want to try something funny because like if they say this is the barbecue flavor and then cheese, who doesn't like cheese on a barbecue? So let's try them together and see. Interesting. I mean, not bad. Okay, I can do that. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one I want to do. Let's try all of that, all three. So this one got like the you see wasabi flavor. This one is a barbecue flavor, and this one's original. Let's start with the original flavor. So this one I already tried a few times because I love this one, and it's very like you can find it also in Singapore, so it's quite like nice. So look. Okay, look at that. This one is like, as you can see, it's coated and it's like peanuts inside. Try to get like, I couldn't get only like half left. Try again. Nah, one more time. So you can see the peanut inside. Yeah, this one is like coated with some coconut flavor in as well. Let's see the barbecue one. So I never tried barbecue one. Does that one open up? I got it. Okay. Okay. Oh, the smell is like. I mean, like I like the smell more. Let's see. You see, like it's a bit of a different color. This is a barbecue flavor. Let's see. I get more chicken flavor than barbecue, but. Let's see the wasabi one. Okay, let's try. Wow, but this is what like strong cake of wasabi. Let's try all together. Wow, shit. Wow. Oh my god, that was a strong wasabi flavor. Okay, so if you ask me which one I prefer the barbecue, wasabi, or original. So number one will be like original one, second one will be the wasabi, and the third one will be like the barbecue, not my favorite one. Okay, so let's check this out. This one is like kind of like potato rings. And then, do I have it in another flavor? No, I don't. But I think that would be quite like similar taste because both potatoes. But this is barbecue flavor and this is original. Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh, this is so cute. Nice. Up. Can you see that? This is more barbecue flavor than this barbecue flavor. Because you see, you got like this very similar picture on top. But this one, it doesn't taste like chicken. It tastes like more like a barbecue flavor. Let's see original one, like potato snack original. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. This is nice. I couldn't fit it in my mouth in one time. Okay. Okay. This one. I think I'll go for this one. But let me try them together actually. That would be interesting. Alrighty. Just okay, nothing special. All right, I'm going to move next to this one. So this is also made of corn, but this one is also cheese flavor. Is that a cheese? Yeah, it's a cheese flavor. That's actually my favorite snack of all time. So look at that. Okay. I mean, อร่อยมากเนี่ย Okay, I'm very like, just please let me know if I speak is a correct Thai, like is a correct pronunciation. Let me know that because like kind of give me a bit of a feedback about how is my Thai. So very tasty, อร่อยมาก Okay, so this is definitely, I know it's my favorite one already. Let's go for this one. Let's see what is that. This is the original flavor. Look like most of the Thai snacks made of corn. So let's try this one out. Smell a bit of like lemony. So let's see. I don't even know what it tastes like. It's a bit of like refreshing in a way. Interesting. What is that? No, it's sweetened corn. Okay. This is super nice. I mean, I will try it again for sure. Look at the shape. Quite nice. Okay. This one I go straight off. Alright. Now, let's go for this one. This is just look like green pea snack. Okay. If you ask me which one I prefer more, this one or this one, I go definitely for that. Well, this is for me a little bit like, maybe I'm not a big fan of peas maybe. I'm okay with peas, but this one just feel a bit more drier than this one. So you just like a bit like, you feel like you need to drink some water after that. So this one is okay, but I won't go for that. I won't go like, oh yeah, I'm really craving to eat this like green pea snack. Okay, should I go for spicy now? Okay, look at that. This is a spicy seaweed. Let's see. Have you tried seaweed before? This is not spicy yet. Oh, yummy. Of course, it's not really spicy. There's a bit of like a kick into that. Wait, there's a strong heat to that. You just come afterwards. Oh my god, I can feel it. Maybe it's not like all over, like not all of them spicy. And then the first one's like, oh wow, it's not spicy at all. Second one, like, I can feel it now coming up. Okay. Okay, let's see what is that. This one, it's like corn and cheese flavor. I don't know. Let's see. I never had that. So this is like multiple package inside. Let's see. Okay, this is so cute. Oh, it's like rice packet. We have it here in Singapore, but just like with rice. But this is look like made with corn and sweet potatoes. So let's see. Nice. I got a really strong kick of like sweet potatoes. Nice. Okay, I'll go for the second one. Now try this one. Yummy. Okay. Okay, this one too, like I don't even know exactly what is that. I don't think I ever tried it. I don't know if there's a fish picture on that, so maybe it's just like a fish skin or something. I will see if I can find the English one. Chin chin,ไม่รู้อันนี้อะไรอ่ะ Please let me know นะคะ ไม่มีภาษาอังกฤษ I don't have English language here to explain to me what is that. So กรุณานะคะ can you please tell me นะคะ tell me what is that because I have no idea. But let's check it out. So this one, it looks like spicy, but this look super spicy. So let's see if it can trick me and get me like burn my tongue or something. Okay. Oh wow. So it looks like that inside. So it's a bit sticky. It's a bit, I think it's a fish. Ooh, that's spicy. Oh my god, this is only level 1. Okay, so this one is like I feel a bit of, it's like with honey, maybe glazed with honey. There's a bit like sweetness into that, but then it's also spicy. And then it's a bit like I think, I don't even know how to explain this texture. Maybe, I think it's a skin. Like the kind of like it dries the skin, and then they could just cut it out and make it like a snack. I may add it to the rice if I want to have like some different texture to a rice. Let's open the super spicy one. Okay, it looks the same exactly also inside. This is less sweet. You don't have like the honey flavor around. The spiciness comes like nummy and a little bit like it's growing up on me. Okay, go for sweet now. So actually something like I really like to eat also, it's called turmeric. And then this one, it's like, they have like different flavors. So you can get like spicy, sweet, and I don't know, just so many like sweet and sour together. There's so many options for that. You just need to find, usually it's like near the bread. So this one, the one I took like it's a seedless in sugar. So this one is that. And this one, it's like honey and spicy. Let's start with this one. I mean, I like this one a lot. Okay, look like that. Okay, I like this one a lot. So before, when I used to live in Thailand, I used to take it like all the time, to buy it all the time, just like when I was working, I want to have like just a quick snack and I get some energy and some sugar. So this is like fruit and it's healthier, so I just said that. Okay, let's try the honey spicy one. So I think like the spiciness, like the spice and sugaring, it kind of coated. Well, it's kind of spicy now. It's like coated on the sugar around that. It's the same as, you know, when you have like fruits, you can ask them to get like kind of like sugar, salty, like kind of like a powder they give you, and then you can just like dip it in. It's like when you like me fruits. By the way, if you want to say fruit, you say polamai. So when you buy in, and pen polamai, pen tamarindนะคะ. This one pen honey. ไม่รู้ put honey. I don't know how to say honey, but spicy รู้ละ spicy เป็นเผ็ดนะคะ. So this one is like sweet. You say sweet อะไรอ่ะ one. So sweet and spicy one, and spicy pet. Okay, let's try this one again. This is how it looks like. Which one I like more? This one, it's more sweet and nice. Okay. I have no idea what is that. But it looks like kind of like the pillow chocolate that we try, like we have like as a breakfast cereal. So I was like, okay, let's check it out and see. So this one, let's see. Okay, the shape is quite different. I don't know if I can call it like animal shape, like you don't know, as a fox or just like a hero. It could be different kind. So let's see. It is different than what we have, like the cereal one, because you feel like more like the dark chocolate flavor coming out. So it's a bit like a stronger flavor. Probably I would eat it with like milk. Yummy. Let's try them more. Yeah. Okay. เสร็จแล้วนะคะ That's mean actually I'm done. ชอบมากไทยขนม I really like Thai ขนม ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you for watching my video, and I really hope you like it. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ